Hello everyone, myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science, SPCGC Ajmer. This is paper 5th of MA final and name of the paper is Political Analysis and Research Methodology. We will study uh, today we are going to study about political science and methodology. It is like introductory part and like introduction. And first of all, I welcome you all in my this video, and we will understand the need of methodology in every discipline, and especially what is the need of methodology in our subject, that is political science. So let's start. Each and every discipline needs a research methodology since the beginning, and along with the development of the subject, it plays the key role in the development of a subject. It is considered as a discovery which brought tremendous changes in the whole nature of social sciences. That's mean we are not talking only about our subject here, but research methodology is need of each and every discipline, each and every subject. If we are to understand that subject thoroughly, or we are to know about the changes, what are the changes going on, and which direction can we give to our society, and uh, how a subject can we can develop it in a scientific manner. So the main aim to understand the subject thoroughly, and second one is to understand our subject in the scientific manner, including changes which are going to happen, and what circumstances today we have. Therefore there is a need of research methodology. The main aims of social sciences is the prediction about the human behavior. As the problems and complexities relating to human society increases, the need of prediction about this increases in the same manner. Therefore social sciences have no progress as compared to the natural sciences. It generates the need of a research methodology. Here comes these main I can say core element of the social sciences, that is human behavior. Not only political science but also every discipline has human behavior as its center of study, because in each and every discipline which we study about the human behavior. This is the other thing that like in political science we study about political behavior and economics. There goes all the economy, and that is the other thing. But the main thing is that in social sciences we study about human behavior, and our research or our study should be so deep that we can predict to the most extent about human behavior. Research methodology is most important tool for politics or political science, especially considering developing or underdeveloped nations. Politics affects all aspects of the society. Therefore, to understand facts, incidents, factors related to politics, and to develop theory or theories, it is necessary to develop methodology or research methodology so that we can analyze political science better. The main aim of developing research methodology is to have a better control over social life, and through this a better direction can we have about the aims and changes which are going to happen all around. Only this is the way through which our subject, that is political science, can become or develop as a science. In true sense, it can be said that each and every discipline needs a research methodology, but for political science it is mandatory for the development of our subject. This is the need of methodology, and not only we cannot correlate it just only with present, but if we look, before since the beginning of our subject, we have been studying about we are trying our best to understand our subject better, to analyze it better, and to make it more scientific and more make it more relevant and up to the time. And in all this scenario, and in all these we can say needs are there, and research methodology plays a key role in all these things, in making political science as a to study political science in a scientific manner, to make it more relevant, and to make it more and more scientific, and as well as relevant, and to include all the aspects related to our subject, to understand them better, to analyze them better. This is the research methodology. That's all for today. Thank you very much, everyone.